Hi. There are two options for building your own GazeDLL. You should go and download both of them. Here are the URLs on GitHub. So go ahead and click on the green button here. Choose Download Zip and save it. Download the other one as well. Save that one. Next, go ahead and unzip both of them. Let's begin by going into the folder called myGazeDLL Master. Double-click on this Visual C++ project. That will open up Visual Studio Community Edition 2015. Here in the Solution Explorer you can see the project. It primarily consists of this DLL main file and the corresponding class. Now this implementation is very simple. I'll review it later. For now I just want to show you how to compile it. You just click Build Solution and this will create a DLL file. Here it is. It's called DLL mygaze1.dll. You can close this. Go here into the debug, no, not this folder, go up here to this debug folder. There is your DLL. Next, you want to start Hairball. There's Hairball. And, okay, so Hairball is now running. In order to load that DLL, just go to Controller, select My Own, browse to the folder, and choose that DLL that you just compiled. And you'll notice that this causes Hairball to think that you're moving your eyes around in a circle. Now for the second DLL, you want to do the exact same thing, except here you'll find two folders. One contains the SDK that comes from Tobii, and the other is my folder. Go inside, open the project, click OK for this warning. You could ignore this for now. Once again, you have a DLL main and you have the myGaze class. Now this one actually implements the Tobii EyeX SDK. Go ahead and compile it. It'll take a few seconds. Now you have a DLL called myGaze2. You can close this. You also may want to double check here when you're compiling that you have either a choice of release mode or debug mode. I recommend you compile it in release mode. The previous example was in debug mode. Debug mode, for those of you who don't program in C++, debug mode is what allows you to step through the code by entering breakpoints and tracing through it. So anyway, here we are back in Hairball. Now let's load the other DLL. Select My Own. This time it was in release. And now it's tracking me using the actual controller. And that's all there is to it. So in my next video I'll demonstrate how to actually modify the code and create your own eye tracker interface.